Hello, and I am at Biggleswade on the East Coast Mainline, and I'm wearing a face mask because we are finally back at stations. So today we'll be seeing services by London North Eastern Railway, Grand Central, Hull Trains, Thameslink, Great Northern, and hopefully some freight as well. So, let's spot some trains. Okay, we're about to have an LNER Azuma pass by, working service to London King's Cross. Leading and 801 111 trailing. Okay, right there is LNER Azuma about to pass by, working service from London King's Cross. I think that might have been 800 124. And right here is the Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Peterborough. 700 106. And we're about to have something pass by on platform 3, I think. Or actually that might have just been them repeating the announcement for that Azuma that just passed by. Okay, so the Thameslink service from London King's Cross to Peterborough is now departing. Okay, right there is an LNER Azuma working service from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. No idea what the numbers were on that. So we're about to have an LNER Azuma pass by, working service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. One 213. Okay, so we're about to have an LNER Azuma pass by, working service from London King's Cross. I think that was 800 215, but I can't be sure.
What's the number?
Okay, so right there is a Thameslink class 700 working service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. The announcement seemed to have said the exact same thing as me, so that was pretty pointless, but here it comes. Not exactly going at breakneck speeds. Seven hundred 112. So the 1522 Thameslink service from Peterborough to London King's Cross is now departing. And a nice little toot tone there as it leaves. Don't know whether you guys heard that. Okay, so we're about to have an LNER Zoomer pass by. Working service from London King's Cross to Leeds. 801.106 was trailing, no idea what was on the front. Okay, right, there is an LNER Zoomer working service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross.
I got him a hole!
800.209, and we got fantastic toot tone.
Well done.
Okay, so that was the final train of the day. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please make sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you wish, join my Discord server if you want to talk to me and my fans. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.